So we have 8, divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. What is its value? So A is 0, B 1, C 1 over 64, D 16, which is the correct answer. So let's see which is correct. So we have 8, divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. When you divide 8, divide by 8, you get 1. When you divide 8, divide by 8, you get 1. So 1 divided by 1, this should be equals to, it's 1 over 1, which is 1. This is actually wrong because you've not followed the order of operations. So 1 is not correct. We rule it out. So you're supposed to follow the order of operations, which is PEM DAS. So you have 8 divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. So by PEMDAS, this is parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But multiplication and division carry the same weight, which means you can work out each one, but the rule is you have to always work out the one that comes first, from left to right. Whichever appears first is what you handle first. If multiplication appears first, you handle that first. If division appears first, you handle that first. That is from left to right. And now, parentheses we don't have, exponents we don't have. So what we have next is division, and it has to be from left to right. So that means we have to work out this first. So 8 divided by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. So 8 over 8, this becomes 1. Divide by 8, divide by 8. Again, we have to move from left to right. So we work out this next. 1 divided by 8 is the same as 1 times 1 over 8. This divide by 8. So this becomes 1 over 8 divided by 8. Now we can work out this. So we shall have 1 over 8 times, when you change the sign, you multiply by the reciprocal. So times 1 over 8, which is equals to 1 over 8 times 8 is 64. So the right answer is 1 over 64. Therefore, C was the correct option. 1 over 64. You always have to follow the order of operations. Otherwise, you'll get it wrong. You are told to find 16 divided by 15 over 15 divided by 6. What's the answer here? So this is the same as 16 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 6. This is what it means. So remember, we have to follow the order of operations, which is PEM DAS, where P stands for parentheses, brackets, E stands for exponents or powers or indices, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. And in our case, we have now this parenthesis here, so we work out this first. So we have 16 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 6. So when we work out this first, this is the same as 15 over 6. This is divisible by 3 to give us 2. It's divisible by 3 to give us 5. So we have 5 over 2. So we bring back this. We have divide by 15, divide by 16. So now we have this. So now we have normal parentheses. So what's next is multiplication and division. And in this case, we have division here and here. So now what we do is we have to work from left to right, not the other way around. or not however way we want. We always have to move from left to right. So in this case, 60, we shall work out this first. So we shall have 16 divided by 15. Then divide by 5 over 2. So we have this. Now this here can be changed to multiplication, and then we also multiply by the reciprocal of this. So we shall have 16 over 15 times 2 over 5. So this is equals to 32 over 75. So this is our answer. If we have 5 being equals to 27, 6 being equals to 38, 7 being equals to 51, so what is 8 equals to if you follow the same pattern? Now if you realize, but firstly, kindly comment your answer. What do you think the answer is? Before we proceed, let us know what you think the answer is to this. What is 8 equals to according to this sequence or pattern? Okay, let's continue. So now this, if you look at it, if you square 5, you get 25. But here we have 27. Or if you say 5 times, no, if you square 5, you get 25. But we have 27. So that means here we add 2 to get 27. Now if you square 6, 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is, you get 36. So, but here we have 38. So that means you add 2 here to get 38. And if you square 7, you get 49. But here we have 51. So to get 51 minus 49, here they added 2 to get 51. That means it follows the same pattern. You find the square of that number and add 2, add 2, add 2. So that means we shall find the square of 8, which is 64. And then add 2 to find this value. So it will be equals to 66. So the next value here is equals to 66. If you have this series here, which is the next value in the sequence here? This is 100, then 99.5, then 98.5, then 97, then 95, then 92.5, then 89.5. So what's the next value in the sequence? As you can see, it's reducing. The value is reducing. So what is the difference between this and this? Or by what number was 100 decreased by to get 99.5? It was decreased by 0.5. Now, what about this? By what number was 99.5 decreased by to get 98.5? So this minus this is 1. Let's see here. This minus this is 1.5. Let's see here. 97 minus 95 is 2. What about here? 95 minus 92.5 is 2.5. And here, 92.5 minus 89.5 is 3. Now let's study this pattern. Here we have 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. That means the difference is in a range of 0.5. At every difference, you add 0.5. At every difference, you add 0.5. So that means the next one will be subtracted by the previous difference plus 0.5, which becomes 3.5. So we shall subtract 3.5 from 89.5 to find this value here. So 89.5 minus 3.5 gives us 86. So 86 is the next value in this sequence. So you have to study the sequence and know what to do next. So this was easy because it was following a smooth pattern. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It's completely free of charge. Kindly comment, share, and like this video. Please subscribe. I'm kindly requesting. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.